In this video, we're gonna talk about TOGUARD C200 4K dual dash cam. First, we're gonna go over the features, and then I'm gonna show you what's inside the box, and then we're gonna see the test footage of this camera towards the end of the video. So stay tuned. Okay, so one of the features is loop recording. So C200 comes with a seamless loop recording. It will automatically overwrite the earliest file when the SD card storage fills up. Never worry about the storage space. Another feature is the G-sensor lock. Any unusual shaking or rapid acceleration and deceleration will be recorded. This camera records 4K and 1080p video. It will cover both front and rear of your car, so you never miss anything. Well, I'm not sure if I can choose to select the 1080p or 4K for the front-facing camera or not. We'll see that in the functions. And built-in super capacitor. The C200 has built-in super capacitor instead of battery, which is more stable and more reliable. It will handle cold and heat with ease. I don't even know what that means. So if it doesn't have the battery, so we'll see how that works. The price is $99. After the car is turned off, the built-in gravity sensor realizes the automatic boot recording after the vehicle is shaken, which continues to guard the car. I mean, that's a really good feature. So after you turn off your car, you can actually use this camera just to monitor the surroundings. So it will start recording when the camera notices any shakes. The viewing angle for the front is 170 degree and for the back is 140. It also has the feature for night vision, so it should record a pretty good picture at night as well. So let's go ahead and see what's inside the box. The manual, the usual cable stuff, the rear camera. We have power cable to the adapter, mounting suction for the windshield, hot wire, we call it. You actually need to connect this one to the fuse box. Okay, this is the camera itself. Pretty neat, nice looking camera. That is good. Okay, here's the back. Removing the sticker in the back. You have the USB on the top for power, AV, I'm assuming for the rear camera, the mounting jack, the power button. On the left side we have the mic, the memory card slot, and on the bottom we have the control functions buttons on the underneath. Right, so that's pretty much it for the front camera module. The rear camera with the long cable, so you need to attach it to the front camera. Okay, let's go ahead and install it in the car, and I can show you the video quality of this camera. Okay, so I just installed the camera right on the windshield. Just for the sake of the video, just installed like this, and there's one for the rear camera. As you can see, we can see the back and the front at the same time. Let's go on the menu. So if your memory card is not really high capacity, you can just lower the resolution. Right now I'm recording 4K for the front and the 1080p for the back, and you can select the 2K 1440p and 1080p for the back, or just full HD for the front, just to record more on your memory card. We have the loop recording. So right now it's at 1 minute. It records every 1 minute on 2 separate files. I usually put it at 5 minutes. Record audio. That's something I always turn on to record the audio. Format the memory card for better results. Let's go ahead and record some video, and I'm gonna show you the video quality for front and back during day and night.